How to create a landing page and funnel with WordPress using Trev Architect. Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can be able to utilize your WordPress website to be able to create landing page and funnels, page pages without having to spend a dime on expensive tools and softwares like ClickFunnels with a monthly recurring payment. And to get this done, um, we're going to be using a plugin known as Trev Architect. So to get that, you first of all have to go to Trev Suite, and to get access to this, all you have to do is to type into your URL typreneur.com/Trev Architect or typreneur.com/Trevs, and you're going to get access to getting Trev Suite, the monthly payment, or you can just get Trev Architect, because Trev Architect is what you're going to be using to create this landing page. As you can see, create landing page and funnel in a matter of minutes using one of our 300 plus landing page templates available in Trev. So we're going to be using this. So you're going to go here and you're going to download Trev Architect plugin. You're going to have to install it as you install every other plugin on your WordPress set. Then after installing that, we're going to move up to get started with creating our landing page with Trev. So since all pages and the landing page we're going to be creating and funnels are just series of one page being added together in the sense to funnel someone through a journey to go get an offer or to submit their details, so you can follow up with these people using email marketing campaigns. So to get access to, first of all, creating all of this is to go download the Trev plugin. Then you're going to install it. Then after installing it, you're going to get access to the Trev dashboard. As you can see in here, I'm currently working with the Trev Architect. So after installing that, you're going to go to your pages. To create a landing page, you're going to go to your pages. You can see in here all pages, add new pages. You're going to click on add new pages because you want to create a page, because as I said earlier, landing page and funnels are a series of one page website, which means these are actually pages. So you want to create a page, you're going to hit add new page. So we want to create a new page for our new landing page which we're creating right now. So as you can see in here, I'm about to create a new page. Now this page I'm creating is actually for a free webinar training coming up. I'm going to be using a product from ClickBank to work with this example for you. So the 12 minutes affiliate marketing is the page. So in here, the webinar, I'm just going to create this page as 12 minutes off. Now this is going to be what it's going to look like. Now with this page, it's now going to have a URL of www.mywebsite/12minutes-off. This is the page. This is the name I'm giving to this page I'm about to create. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit the publish. Then this is going to become online. As I hit this publish, this page is going to be active and live with my channel. Now, as you can see in here, you can see this pop-up showing launch Trev Architect. After installing your Trev Architect plugin to your website, you're going to have this featured enable, and this is how you can be able to create these landing pages. So after successfully publishing your new page online, what you want to click on is this shiny green button, which is Launch Trev Architect. So we're going to click on Launch Trev Architect. As you can see right now, it's going to load in this page, but it's completely blank because we just created an empty blank page. Now this is going to be our canvas where we can be able to work on and start creating whatever landing page we want. And to do that, you can see by your right hand side, these are the tools and ways you can be able to create this. You can see in here, this plus button is going to get you to add element. This change template is going to get you to work with template if you want to work with template and build your landing page very fast. And this is going to be the setting for this page. And you can see at this side, every property you show, this is going to be the property panel where you can be able to edit and tweak wherever element you add to your empty cover. Now if we want to work with template, we can hit here and you can see we can work with a normal page or we can work with a pre-built landing page. These are templates. So when you click in here, you're going to see all the various templates which Trev already have for you, which you can be able to select depending on the work and what you want to use them for. As you can see, all of these are templates you can easily work with. all you have to do is, if you see any which you like and which can be able to serve the purpose of what you want to use them for example, let's say this is an ID. Maybe I want to take in people's I want to get people's email. I just want to create a landing page, simple landing page. I can come here and I can be able to click on this if I like this. Then you can see I can be able to get other details in there. And what we can do is we're going to pick the one that is going to work for us best, depending on what we want to do. Now, this might be what is going to give you the result, or this might be what is currently digging after checking them out. So let's say we want to work with this template. All we have to do is to click this, and we're going to apply this template to our empty page. We can see template changed successfully. Now they're going to load it to our empty page, which we just created, and it's going to be looking more on empty. As you can see, our template has been loaded into our landing page, and we can see how it's looking, and we can be able to edit this to whatever way we want to right now. In here right now, we see that this is a video. This is a landing page where there's a video, and this is the headline, and this is the subheading. This is the video detail. You can also add image to replace this, and you can see more details about what it is all about. Then a call to action and an opt-in with this button. So in this video, I'm going to be showing two ways which you can be able to go about taking people's email and name to start to your email or to responder to start following up. One is going to be using pop-up, like the way they intend with this template, or you can directly drop in the sign up and your name form in your landing page directly. So the first one we're going to be working with is, we can see with this, we can be able to change this. All we have to do is to click on wherever we want to edit, and we can see in this left hand side, every property is going to appear here. And we can easily be able to edit this. We can mess with this font size in here. But we can see by doing this, adjusting them the way we want. We can be able to mess with the color by going to this color, and we can change this color to wherever we want. Now, some do have universal color, but I literally don't care, so I'm going to edit that. And I'm going to click on this. I want to unlink this from other templates. Then we can be able to edit this to whatever color which we want. We can do this to this, or change it to red. If you have your S color, you can easily drop it here, and you're going to see the effect coming up easily. So after doing all of this, you can apply this. You can change your font. If you don't like the font, you can go here and you can choose whatever other font that you feel is going to work for you. You can use Google based fonts. You can search for the font you want. Now let me search for Montessera, and we can see this, and you can see we'll just be able to change this font to the way we want. We can increase the size, we can reduce the size. Then we're going to hit on apply. As you can see, it's going to display in here with the way we're changing them. So how it works is we can be able to add elements from here. Like if you want to add name or image, let's say you want to add image below this brought to you by Trev. So we can do this. So what we're going to do is we can either add image already in our media library, or we can upload. So in this case, let me upload one I just downloaded. So we're going to insert this into the post, and as you can see, it's going to appear here. You can see this is going to appear here, and you can be able to reduce the size of this image by going to the property panel in here, which is your left hand side of your screen. You can reduce the size if it's looking too big. We can reduce the height if we don't want it to look awful. We can do whatever we want in here with this property tab. So as you can see, and we can be able to toggle on various display screen to see how our website is responding, our landing page, if it's mobile friendly, laptop, tablet friendly. By hitting all of these properties, we can be able to change them easily to see how they're going to look like in their various screen size. As you can see in here, this is in the tablet form, and we can be able to see how it's going to look like if we decide to work with this copy on our tablet form. And we can go to the mobile form, and by hitting this, we can be able to see how it's going to display in a mobile form. So going back, to be able to edit any of this property which you don't like, all you have to do is to go to the place you don't like and you want to edit. You're going to click on it, and you can be able to change it. As you can see in here, Now let me see the secret to massive following in less than 30 days. Now you can see I was able to change this easily by just going to the place and hitting on it and changing it to whatever way I want. Now if I want to make this text bold, I can Control A align, that is Control copy everything. I can either use this to make it bold. I can either change this from the paragraph it is to become an heading. You can see this, or I can either take it back to become a paragraph. I can turn it to a second heading. I can turn it to a third heading. I can be able to increase the font size by going to the property panel, and I can be able to drag this to whatever size I want. I can reduce this. I can increase this. If I want to change the color, I'm going to go to the color. I can hit on color. I can change it to whatever color I want, as you can see here. So it's as easy as this. All you have to do is you can drag and drop, edit what you don't like and leave what you like. Now with the video in here, all you have to do if you want to add a video, let me delete this. You can go to your right hand panel. You can click in here. You're going to see the buttons, image, text, columns. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down till you get access to videos, which you can easily drag and drop back to the place where we just removed it from. As you can see here, these are videos. You can go easily drag, you can see, and drop. Bam. And if we want to create videos, we can either upload videos from YouTube, we can either upload from Vimeo or any other site, or upload directly to our website. But this is going to be affecting you because you're wasting your resources. So we can see we can easily do this. If we want to edit a copy, we can easily go to the copy, click on it, and edit it to whatever text we want to do. If you want to change this, you can do that. If you want to do this, you can do. Now the next important part is going to be how can we be able to add in our email opt-in form so people can actually sign up to our list, and we can start growing our list from using these pages. So to do that, all you have to do is to go back to this tab where you're going to have where you can add your elements. Then you want to go to lead generation. As you can see here, scroll till you get to lead generation. Then you want to drag and drop this where you want the lead gen to be. Now this is going to show you all the template of all the forms which you can easily insert in there to take people's email and their name, so you can start saving them and following up in the back end with your email autoresponder. So we're going to pick any which we see is going to be that is going to work for you. You can go through all of this. These are templates. You can pick any which you feel is going to work for you. Then you can edit it to become wherever way you want easily. So let me not go crazy on this. Let me just pick any very fast. But you can be able to go, these are templates. You can pick wherever any form that interests you. Let me just pick this. As you can see, it's going to open and it's going to be in here. So when people sign up now with this lead generation, if you're using this, you can remove this button. But if you want to create a pop-up, you can definitely create this button. Now for now, I'm going to be deleting this. Let's work with the pure lead generation tool. So in here, what we can do now, we can be able to edit this. And when you click on this, you're going to see that in the property panel where you can be able to edit all of them, you're being showed and displayed edit form element. So click on edit form element. When you do this, you can be able to edit the name if you don't want it to display your name, your email. If you want to add in more stuff, you can be able to add. As you can see, these stuff are grouped, so we can unlock them. As we unlock them, we can be able to move this. We can make this to become the top form. We can take this to become the down form. Everything you want to do is going to be displaying in this property panel of things. So if I want to edit this, I don't want to, I think, sign up, I can easily go there and I can edit this. I can get instant access now. You can see I can change this, I can bold this if I want by hitting on the board, or I can do the same in this property panel by hitting in here on the board. So what I can do, I can also be able to change this color of this button. As you can see here, as I click on that panel, I'm seeing the color which I can change this to, and I can be able to do increase the size of the button. I can decrease the size of the button, or everything you want to do, you can do it from these connections and using this simple drag and drop system. Thrive Team saves you a lot, and I can hit done if I'm already through and I'm liking what I'm done with. So the next part that is going to come, so once you want to take note of, is try to save your work as much as possible. So I'm going to save it right now before I lose all my progress and everything I've been doing since. So you want to save your work before every 10 minutes. You want to save your work so you don't lose whatever you're doing. So the next thing that is going to come up is, after setting all of this up, writing your copy. So all you have to do is to edit this copy to become what you want. If you have a video, you're going to insert either your YouTube URL or upload the video directly. It's going to show, but we're not working the video in here, so I'm going to remove that. I'm going to remove all of this so we can see it's looking much better. So you can see we can be able to edit this copy to the way we want. Now we have our email form where we can be able to get these people to sign up. Now the next part is going to be connecting this to an API or to an autoresponder, so you can actually get so you can actually get this email into your system. So to do that, all you have to do is click on this form, and you're going to see in here add connections. You're going to click on add connections, and in here you're going to choose a connection. But first you have to connect this software or the autoresponder to Thrive already. So they are going to see this. You have to connect that. I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Now I already have mine connected to Aweber, so I can easily click on this and it's going to connect to my Aweber account. You can see it's already showing my mailing list, and I can be able to give a tag to just this page. Now this page, let me say my tag is 12-minute affiliate system. So when I see anybody coming from the 12-minute affiliate system in tag in my autoresponder, I'm going to know that it's coming from this landing page, and that is how tag work. So I'm going to add this. This is just the tag I'm using that. So I can hit save in here. So let me hit apply to get this done. So apply, and you can see API successfully connected, meaning when someone submits their name and their email in here, they are going to be taken to their names and their details are going to be taken to my autoresponder, and I can be able to follow up with email on the back end. So let me show you how you can be able to connect your Aweber, but I won't be going in depth in this video. On another video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to connect your Aweber or GetRespond or whatever autoresponder you're using to your Thrive team, so you can start funneling those leads and start following up with your email campaigns. So to create a pop-up, if you want to work with pop-up button, you don't want to create this type of sign up, that will be the last. I already have less time available. So you're going to go to buttons if you want to work with pop-ups. Then I'll create another video on the bad pop-ups. I'm already 18 minutes back down the drain. So in another video in my Thrive series, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create landing page and pop-ups using Thrive Architect. And in another video, I'm going to also show you how you can be able to connect your Thrive teams to your Aweber or whatever autoresponder you're using. And guys, you can be able to see that it's as easy as this. All you have to do is you can work with a pre-designed theme, then you can edit it to look the way you want to, or you can completely build from scratch by going to the add element, clicking in here, and add whatever element you want to build your landing page from scratch to finish. Or you can go and work with template, and you can work with pre-built templates to create landing pages. Then to create your lead generation and take up email, all you have to do is to go in here and scroll down till you get to lead gen. Then you drag and drop it in there, and you can be able to do whatever thing you want, social media icon and all of this. So stay true on the series and this playlist, Thrive Architect, using your WordPress to build awesome landing pages and funnels for your business. So till next time, hope you have a lovely day, and be sure to comment if you did learn anything from